Hello, welcome back to Top Learner Driving School YouTube channel. My name is Amir, audit trainer for part 2, part 3. In this video, Abu want to do a role play and want to see how if something goes wrong and we want to change the lesson and how to do it. How to do 3 core: identify, analyze, and remedy, and work towards it. You try to plan a few faults as in a role play, and you want to learn how I deal with it, and he can imply in his lessons. Thanks for watching. If you like, you subscribe the channel and thumbs up. We're gonna give second video also with the feedback and all the details with the explanation on marking sheet also, which help any ADI or PDI going for their test to understand their marking sheet, how that will affect on the marking sheet. Thank you very much.
In the instructions, right? Okay, and then I don't need any more help. Okay, what do I do?
You make them drive on a busy road and ask them, I'm there next to you. If you need any help.
A busy road, like normal driving.
Yeah, normal driving.
Like city road.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can we try that today?
Yeah.
I'm gonna make one simple mistake.
Yeah.
And I'll tell you, okay, that I'm gonna make it junctions approaching speed.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm not gonna approach him with junctions with the correct one, or maybe within the junctions. Okay, I'm gonna make a couple of mistakes. One is let's say three mistakes. One is a speed. Second one is position.
Okay.
Third one is not looking.
Okay. Looking mean the junction.
Junction. Not looking at the junctions, right? Okay. Not looking at the junctions, right? Okay. MSPSL routine, mirror, signal, position, speed, look. So first one I'm gonna make a mistake on the speed.
Yeah.
Second one I'm gonna make a position. First one we discussed that. We discussed the whole depth of it, the whole risk depth of it, and I fixed that. Now the second mistakes I made is because I'm more busy with the speed control. I missed the positioning.
Fine. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. We discussed that again. You pretend this is an exam. This is an exam, right? Okay. Yeah.
And what is the subject you have planned?
Junction awareness plan.
Junction awareness planning. Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. Okay, learner, how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm good.
Fine. What's the plan for today? What you want to work on today?
I want to plan on junctions awareness and planning. I think I'm a bit struggling at the moment, right? Okay. Yeah. Because to follow up all the routines.
Okay, that's fine. And where you think you can scale yourself in terms of your awareness and planning from 1 to 10? 1 is not good.
5. Yeah.
5. Okay, good.
5. Yeah.
And where you want to see end of session then?
I want to see myself 9 to 10.
Oh, that's a good number. And how to achieve that number? Do you want my help to prompt you, or you want to do by yourself?
No, I'll need to prompt me first and see how it goes.
Yeah, that's no problem at all.
You can always judge me if I'm making mistakes incorrectly.
No problem at all. I will prompt you for awareness and planning. Is it okay with you?
Yeah, that's fine.
And if anything else need to be addressed apart from the awareness planning, are you okay to change the lesson plan?
Yes.
If that happens, we'll discuss on it and we'll work towards it.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fine. Look at the weather today. So do you think you need to use the wiper at any given point?
Maybe later on. Look, the day's looking a bit dull, so maybe it rains in a minute.
Sure.
Yeah.
Do you know how to control that one? Yeah.
Yes, I do. Yes, that's fine. Okay. Yeah, I know how to put the wipers on.
That's fine. No problem at all. Whenever ready, I'd like to move up, please.
Okay.
And we're gonna take the first road on the right-hand side, please.
Yeah, sure.
Do you think you have enough space in front of you to
I
move
think
up?
I have enough space to make a swing.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good. Good stop. Let me take the first road on the right-hand side, please.
Yeah, sure.
Good turning.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Do you see enough space to go around the car, or
yes, I can see enough
are they
space.
swinging out or no?
Actually, I think they're reversing. The wheels is turning the other way around. I can't see the reverse light, but I can't see no signals. So I'm going to go nice and slowly here.
And where's your beating point for this car?
I think I'm going to go front of the red car maybe here.
Oh, that's
Because
good then.
The stickings,
Good planning.
the van is stickings out a little bit. I'm gonna check my mirror.
End of road, I want to turn right, please.
Turn right, okay.
Do you expect any pedestrian at the junction?
Yes, a close junction, so I may expect it from the left-hand side.
We go right, yeah.
Okay, sorry, yes. Safe gap. Gonna walk across. Check my mirrors.
Well done, good.
And speed check. Done. Speed hump. I can go over it right middle. Oh, it's the temporary lights.
Oh yeah, good observation.
Yeah.
What the benefit of checking the mirrors now?
To see what's happening behind,
Behind or surrounding also?
surrounding as well. So like if there's a cyclist. If there's a cyclist.
With this light, do you think we can make it, or it's going to change again?
It's hard to tell. I think we can make it, but I'm gonna prepare to stop as well if the light changes to
Okay.
red. I think they could have gone, but
We're not sure what's happening around there, yeah.
Yeah. I think I passed my point, so I'm gonna
That's fine,
stay
good.
in red. Check my mirrors, and I can see the oncoming cars speed hump as well. Check my left mirror. There's nothing there.
Good control.
And thank you. And things ahead is clear. The car behind us.
I want to take the second road on the left-hand side, which is the first one here.
Okay.
You know where it is? That's your road?
Yes, I can see that signs there as well. There's already marking 7 minutes.
What speed are you going to approach then?
I'm gonna approach maybe 8. Oh yeah, I can see the traffic lights there as well.
Well done. Good stop.
Yeah. I was gonna
If you
approach
see-
about 8. Sorry.
Oh
yes.
yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
fine. If you see this pedestrian crossing, the box has been tilted other way around, so we can't see.
Yeah.
Yeah, your speed was good, so you can safely stop easily.
I'm gonna make mistakes here. Let's see.
Any pedestrian on the left side?
Oh no, there's no pedestrians trying to cross.
That's good observation.
I think I can walk across after the car. Car's there as well. Okay, checking my mirrors and speed limit is 30.
I want to follow the road ahead, please. Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
How you maintain the 2-second rule gap with the car in front?
I think lamppost to lamppost. You just look at the speed and make a judgment call. It's basically just say imagination striker 1, 2. I think one lamppost to the other.
Okay, fine. Yes, I'll come on that one
Okay.
later on. Have a look what's ahead of here. What sort of hazard are you looking around here?
You can see pedestrians walking, car parked on the left, a person.
Is it fast moving
across.
traffic?
Yes, it is.
Is it fast moving or slow moving?
Slow moving traffic. Sorry.
That's.
Slow
Just want to
moving.
make sure you're aware of the traffic ahead of us.
Oh yeah. No, that's a slow moving traffic actually.
Okay.
Yeah, because I can see the lights.
Good mirror. Now your car is getting the mist. It's kind of mist in the car. How are you going to make sure your car is windows clear?
I'm gonna put the front demister on and the rear demister as well.
Okay, that's fine. Because you the driver, so you just want to make sure you know how the controls.
Yes.
Where are you? Whatever you feel comfortable here. It's ideally so you keep your windows clean when you're driving.
Yes, to get the better view ahead.
What's the safest gap you're going to keep with the car in front?
Again, just maybe one, two cars.
Just have a look there. There's a quite long queue there.
Yeah.
Is it okay we go somewhere else now instead of going straight?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Shall we
Just
turn?
leave this one.
Yeah.
Should go for the okay, that's fine.
Shall we turn?
Yeah, turn. Just keep that in mind, yeah? I'll discuss you later.
Okay.
Otherwise,
That's
just-
fine. Nice.
Yeah, good hold back.
see it's clear. And
Is it okay to discuss you?
yeah, sure.
I will tell you which road to take.
Yeah.
Yeah. So don't decide on your own.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. Is it okay with you?
Yeah, that's fine.
Because the reason why we're too close to give someone indication.
Yeah.
End of road, I want to turn left, please. And the
left.
first road right, please. A bit slower, eh? A bit slower. Look at the speedometer, 5 miles.
Yeah, it's coming down now. 5.
Good observation. Anything else you can see through the car?
And through the cars, no, I can't see anything. And now I can see the cars.
Right. You take the next road right, please.
That's right.
Be away from the car, please.
Stay here for a bit.
That's fine. Good. Good hold back, so you're giving good space for them to.
Yeah, because I can see
come
that.
up. Yeah. Do you have enough space to go position there?
Yeah, I'm going to quickly go in the middle actually to get the traffic moving a little bit. There's a lot.
You can make it.
I think I can make it. The road is clear as well.
Good. See further down, you can see the road is getting wider.
Yeah.
Once the road gets wider, I want to pull up left at the safe place, please.
Yeah, sure.
You know where it is?
Yes, I'm gonna put next to the tree, second tree.
Oh, that's good planning. Yeah. That one you're saying it?
Yeah, small one.
Yeah.
Check the mirrors and.
That's fine. Yeah, thank you. How's the drive so far for you?
Yeah, I think back there, I think I made a judgmental error with directions as well. I think you're going to give me a second one. I took it straight away. First one, I thought was the first one. Second one, I think was the speed.
Okay.
So
What's your thought about the speed?
I actually totally forgot it was a closed junctions or open junctions. So I just using my like a normal. I didn't use that planning. So then I realized, yes, it's a closed junction. Could be anything coming in because the car parked up on the left as well. So yeah.
See, you have very good knowledge.
Yeah.
How to implement that knowledge in your driving, actually?
Actually, yes, I should have held back. If I should have identified whether it's open junctions or closed junctions.
It's fine.
And approaching with the maybe 7 to 8 miles an hour with a closed junction.
Okay. And going for go on, please.
What do you think? Is 8 to 9 miles an hour appropriate?
Just for asking you.
Yeah.
Right. Can you see that junction in front of you on the left hand side?
Yes. Yeah.
So when you think you're gonna do 8 miles per hour, right on it or before it?
Before it.
How before? 1 car length, 2 car length?
I think it's about 30 to 4 car lengths.
Okay, then it's reasonable.
30 to 4 car lengths, right? 8 to 9 miles an hour. Maybe one approaches right with a 1 car length, maybe bring it down to 2 to 3 miles an hour.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
You know, back there, how much was your speed when you're in within 2 car length as well?
I think my speed was a bit too high, closer to 10.
Yeah.
Closer to 10 miles an hour.
As you said, it's a closed junction.
Yeah.
Yeah, if I haven't asked you to slow down, so we might be ending up some months.
That's right. I could have hit someone's right.
Yeah. Do you know the pedestrian had the priority as well to cross the road?
Yes, it's a new highway code. I have to give away the pedestrians as soon as that pedestrian.
As you said, closed junction, we might not be able to see them there.
Yeah.
They might be around the building, right?
Yeah.
So you need to be safer driver for the other road user as well, not only for the cars, not for yourself, but the road user.
Yes.
Yeah.
Is that the risk part? That's the risk part. That's the risk management part, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Now, at one point, I asked you a little bit more away from the parked car there.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Because I was more concentrating on the vehicles. I think the learner vehicles coming up from the side road will hesitate to come out.
I mean, it can be any other car also.
Yeah. Yeah. That's why I was more concentrated on this, and I lost the track of that parked car as well. Yeah.
Do you know your reference point when to, or how close you want to stop?
Yes, about a meter.
If you have enough space,
yes, meter away from the parked car, yeah.
But that was, do you have meter at that time when you were asking to?
No, actually, I didn't have the meter at that time because I was too close.
these trains going too close. So you have reasonable, not exactly meter, but a little bit more than, less than that.
Less than meter, yeah.
But you were trying to go more into the car.
That's right.
That's why a little bit more keep it straight. Going forward, how are you going to work these two, your learning curves, the one approaching speed? Do you want me to help you or position from them?
No, I'm okay actually. I'm gonna if you could prompt me with the questions, that'd be good.
No problem at all. That's okay. Whenever ready, I like to move off and I want to take the first road on left hand side, please.
Sure.
I asked you because we were going the other side, but there is a long queue.
Yeah.
There was no point of sitting in a queue in a traffic hub. Is it okay? Then we change.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's brilliant.
Perfect. I want to take the next road on left hand side, please.
Yeah, sure.
And look at the speed limit. What speed you're now?
At the moment I'm
Is it
11.
5?
It's not 5.
Is it 3?
It's 5 now, and it's 3, 2.
Good control. Yeah. And but look ahead of you. You'll be turning right hand of road. Is it open or closed junction for you?
It's a close junction for me.
So are you going to approach differently this time?
I'm going to approach maybe a 2-car list. I'm going to approach 4 miles an hour, 43, and bring it down to stop.
Is it there? Have you looked at the speedometer?
No, it's 5.
Yeah, let them know you're going right. Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Yes, sorry.
Good reliability.
Yeah.
So you let them know you're coming out.
Yeah.
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 So do you want me to remind you for indicators, time of indicator? Or
No, I'm okay.
Yeah?
I'm okay. Yes.
Why we delayed there?
I think I'm more concentrating on the speedometer, and that's why I just got delayed.
Yeah. But look, your car ahead of you. What are you going to meter away from the car? What's your judgment?
Meeting cars.
Meter away from the park car.
Oh yes, meter away from parked car. I think
Is
that's
it
just about a meter.
Okay.
Yeah.
That similar situation.
Yeah.
Well done. Good control. End of road. I want to turn left, please.
Yeah.
That's good timing. And you are okay to handle this one now? Your speed?
Yes. I look this one's with that speed 27, 5. Come to a stop. Starts turning. Get forward a little bit.
And back. Just try not to hit the last bit of the steering.
Oh yes. Okay.
Yeah. It's the steering column. So, well, look at the car ahead of you. The parked cars on the both sides.
Yeah.
Are you okay to make your safe position of the cars?
Yes.
You got the cherry on your screen, like the screen.
I know.
Yeah, it's good learning also.
Yeah.
Do you want to stop and clean it, or you?
No, I'm okay. I'm okay. That's right.
Yes. End of road. I want to turn right, please.
So it's a close junctions again. Slow it down. Then there's another one like center. It's clear. That's clear off. Okay.
Well done. Good observation. What the safe period you can drive here according to the road condition?
According to the road conditions, I think I can do 22. If
Okay,
the road
fine.
is clear, 22. If the road is clear, then I can do up to 23, 24, 25.